know what that means. When I'm looking at men's, you know what's finna go on. Your girl is finna be doing a wig install video. Like, I'm finna go get my hair done right now. Y'all, I'm finna try this new color I never tried before. I did myself with the pink because I didn't know I was gonna look that cute. Now let's see how we look with this color. I'm finna snap. When y'all see me getting this installed, y'all finna be like, let's see y'all. But y'all, when I get to the girl and stuff like that, I will come back to the camera showing her installing my hair or whatever and the finished product. And I'll insert some pictures and videos that I make. And that'll be the end of this video. Period. Until then, see ya. So I'm here, you guys. I'm currently waiting to go in. Y'all, I hate when my mama just be looking at me like, girl, say I'm cute or something, like, period.
But you knew that.
Period. Y'all look like boo-boo the fool, but y'all, when I come up out this chair,
You ain't a boo-boo the fool. Naturally, it's beautiful.
just admire the skin, though. Period. But y'all, when I go in here for real, I'm gonna start to come back up, and I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna sit the camera up, let her do what she do, and when I get done, that's all I gotta say. Cause yeah, you knew that though.
say something. Girls need love too. Yeah. Girls need love too. Girls need love. Say something. Girls need love. Girls need love. What's a girl to do? She needs love, sometimes need love. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I can get it to you right, baby. I wanna be healing. I can be real good. Please don't get these feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge. Girls need love too. Yeah, love too. Girls need love. Let me tell you something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. So what's a girl to do? She needs love. Girls need love too.
So y'all, she finished. Period. Don't motherfucking play with Ty. Period. She's the GOAT. If you invite Austin, come get your shit slayed. Like, she do not fuck off with this color. Period. I'm sorry you two for cussing, but baby, I got to like. She is not to be fucked with. Period. I told y'all I was gonna come back to the camera like a bad bitch. Like, feeling the last. Y'all, like, I'm so in fucking love. Like, oh my god. Period. 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 So y'all made Dillard's. Period. Color print out. They didn't have my, excuse me, they didn't have my sides and Dillard's, so I'm finna go and join the kids. Music copyright. So y'all just bought some old slippers at the mall. Feet on the way. Oh, she don't want to show my cars. Feet on the way. And yeah, I'm about to go home. All this background music is gonna get me copyrighted. But yeah, I'm gonna get in the car. It's not my dream. Back in the car.